Time ago, a Kansas City attorney helped file an appeal requesting new scientific testing in a murder case that made national headlines.
That appeal could help free Steven Avery, the man from the Netflix documentary Making a Murderer. Attorneys requesting a new type of testing to determine the age of blood at the crime scene. In a 41 Action News exclusive, morning anchor Patrick Fazio showing us why attorneys believe that new testing could prove evidence was planted.
Tricia Bushnell of the Midwest Innocence Project in Kansas City just helped file an appeal for Steven Avery. Bushnell tells 41 Action News the appeal asks for new testing of evidence from Avery's murder conviction in Wisconsin, where she used to work.
We're at a rate of exoneration now of 1 every 3 days. And that's not happening because there's more innocent people incarcerated. That's happening because there's more resources to get folks out.
Earlier this summer, Bushnell talked to us about Avery's case and the challenges for her and Avery's other attorney, Kathleen Zellner of Chicago.
So you have to prove that either the evidence used against him isn't correct or isn't adequate, or that the evidence that shows their innocence is overwhelming. Sometimes that means you point to somebody else. Sometimes it means, in some cases, for example, you really solidify an alibi.
Avery's conviction is based partly on testimony from his nephew, Brendan Dassey, who kept changing his story. Just this month, a federal judge overturned Dassey's conviction for the same 2005 murder. Bushnell told us Avery's conviction should also be overturned.
If we're litigating, we believe someone is innocent. I think there's also a very strong misconception that we take just any case, and the reality is we don't. It's a very long process.
Avery knows. He previously served 18 years in prison for rape until DNA testing proved he didn't do it. This time, he's already spent a decade locked up for a questionable murder. Patrick Fazio, 41 Action News.
And Avery's attorneys also requested more time from the Wisconsin Court of Appeals until the county court rules on the new scientific testing request. In 2010, a federal judge denied Avery's request for a new murder trial, and Wisconsin Supreme Court has declined to review his case. We have all the court documents on our website for you to see. That's KSHB.com. We'll be right back.